Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing the front brakes on that 2002 Mini Cooper. So first off, go to pop that hubcap thing off with a screwdriver. Then you got 4 17s for the lug studs. Pull those bad boys off. I pop this clip off right here. Then you got 2 caps back here that need to come off. And underneath that, one there and one down low for the caliper. And you're going to need a 7mm hex. Go ahead and pop those bad boys off. Go ahead and compress it, get it all compressed. And then you're going to pop off the rest of the caliper itself. And that is a 16 on these 2 back here, one here and one down there. Now that you got that taken off, you're going to need to take this bolt out, which is a T50. Okay, go ahead and throw that rotor on, put that T50 back in. Make sure you wipe them down, factory oil off of them. Go ahead and install this part of the caliper. Okay, once you got that installed, put the front brake on. You slide it in there. On these rear ones, they have these prongs that you need to slide into the caliper themselves. But make sure it's facing this way, so go in that way so it can slide into the caliper housing itself. Okay, once you got that installed with those 7mm hex, go ahead and install those caps back on, the covers back there. Once you get those caps back in, go ahead and install this front clip. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Perfect. Just like that. Throw that tire back on, throw the hubcap on, and if you ended up letting any air out, go ahead and bleed your brakes. Make sure you follow the directions for setting the brakes in or breaking them in. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next videos.